Assalamualaikum. Our topic is development of tongue. So, the development of tongue it begins in the fourth week. It develops from the first four pairs of pharyngeal arches. These are our pharyngeal arches: first pair, second, third, and fourth. Four on left side and four on right side. So there are total four pairs which contribute to the development of tongue. So the first step is the development of three swellings from the mesenchyme of the ventromedial part, the first pair of pharyngeal arches. These are our three swellings, two lateral. These are two lateral swelling and one median swelling. This is called median tongue bud and these are called distal tongue buds. Okay, this is our foramen cecum, and it is developing from the first pair of pharyngeal arches in the earlier part of the fourth week. Then later in the fourth week there is the development of two other median swellings. Okay, one develops just caudal to the foramen cecum. This one, it is called copula, and it develops from the ventromedial part of the second pair of pharyngeal arches. Then from the third and the fourth pharyngeal arches there is development of hypobrachial eminence. Third and the fourth pharyngeal arches later in the fourth week there is development of hypobrachial eminence. Okay, uh, one median tongue bud, two distal tongue buds, copula, hypobrachial eminence, and from the first four pharyngeal arches. In the next step, these distal tongue buds they start to enlarge. Okay, and they grow towards each other and they fuse in the midline. They overgrow this our median tongue bud. Okay, so finally they fuse with each other in the midline, and their line of fusion, this is their line of fusion, and it is called the median sulcus of tongue. Okay, and this fusion it occurs in the fifth week. Okay, fifth week, and in the next step this hypobrachial eminence, this it begins to enlarge, and it enlarges and it overgrows copula. Okay, and it contributes the formation of posterior 1/3 of tongue. The anterior 2/3 of tongue it was formed by this fusion of the distal tongue buds. The median tongue bud it disappears. Their fusion it contributes to the formation of anterior 2/3 of tongue from the first pair of pharyngeal arches. Okay, and hypobrachial eminence it overgrows copula, and it contributes the formation of posterior 1/3 of tongue, which is also called the root of tongue. Anterior 2/3 or body of tongue it is formed by the first pair of pharyngeal arches. Okay, second pharyngeal arch it doesn't contribute to the formation of adult tongue. And hypobrachial eminence it contributes the formation of posterior 1/3, and the hypobrachial eminence it mainly enlarges by the growth of the mesoderm of the third pharyngeal arch. Fourth pharyngeal arch it contributes less. It contributes only to the posterior most part of the root of the tongue. This is median sulcus tongue, formed by the fusion of distal tongue buds, where body and the root of the tongue fuse. This is called sulcus terminalis. This line is called sulcus terminalis. Okay, and the formation of posterior 1/3 by the growth of the hypobrachial eminence it occurs in the fifth and the sixth weeks, and the formation of anterior 2/3 is occurring in the fifth week. Now coming towards the formation of the connective tissue and the vasculature of the tongue and the mucosal lining. The mucosal lining of the tongue it forms from the endoderm covering the inner aspect of the pharyngeal arches, and the connective tissue and the vasculature of the tongue it is formed by the mesenchyme of the pharyngeal arches. So let me repeat it again. Our tongue it forms by the three swelling from the ventromedial aspect of the first pharyngeal arch, one median swelling, two lateral swelling. The lateral swelling, distal tongue buds, median swelling, median tongue bud. This is foramen cecum. And then there is the formation of copula from the second pair of pharyngeal arches, and hypobrachial eminence from the third and the fourth pair of pharyngeal arches. Okay, in the next step, and this is occurring in the earlier part of the fourth week and the later part of the fourth week. In the next step, the distal tongue buds they fuse in the midline. Line of fusion, median sulcus contributes to the formation of anterior 2/3 of tongue. This is called body of tongue. And then hypobrachial eminence grows mostly by the growth of the mesoderm of the third pharyngeal arch. Okay, copula and this median tongue they disappear. They do not contribute to the development of adult tongue. Okay, so this contributes to the formation of posterior 1/3 of the tongue, mainly by third pharyngeal arch. Fourth pharyngeal arch contributes less, and this is our root of tongue. And fourth pharyngeal arch, it contributes only to the posterior most part of the root of the tongue. Fusion of the body and the root is called the sulcus terminalis. Line is called sulcus terminalis. This is occurring in the 5th week. Formation of anterior 2/3 by the fusion of the distal tongue buds, and this is occurring in the posterior 1/3 of tongue, which is formed by the growth of the hypobrachial eminence. It is occurring in the 5th and the 6th weeks. Okay, that's all.